Welcome to Key West, my friend, where it's always Saturday. And, it doesn't matter if you're a Jimmy Buffett fan or not, which I'm a huge Jimmy Buffett fan. Channel 24 on XM radio or Sirius XM, Channel 24 on my motorcycle. Probably get in a little trouble with YouTube when this thing shows because you're going to hear some of that music in the background. They'll probably bust me for it and I'll have to redo it and take the music out. Anyway, all the way to Key West on a motorcycle. I really started in Oregon, and I rode across the country to Florida last year. I say last year because this video was the end of January 2025, and I returned here to my house in Florida exactly 1 year ago today. But once I got to Florida, then it's only 400 miles from my house to Key West. So the overseas highway, how could you not do that bucket list? This is a bucket list ride for anybody. This is like going to the Sun Road. It's like $1 Million Highway. It's like Beartooth Pass, Chief Joseph Highway, the Pacific Coast Highway, Big Sur when it's open. This is a bucket list ride. It's one you want to do, but man, it is a long ways down here. It's about 3,500 miles, I think, from Oregon to get here. So that's a story in itself. Bucket list, Key West, Jimmy Buffett, and a motorcycle. Here we go. It's the 25th of January and there's people out there standing in the water fishing. Okay. We're about to go over the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. I think I said that right. Sunshine Skyway Bridge. Yeah, it was all good until yesterday I started reading about the accidents they've had here. I mean, the old bridge, I guess, has been repaired.
The most notable incident involving the Sunshine Skyway Bridge was a catastrophic collapse on May 9, 1980, when the freighter MV Summit Venture collided with a support pier during a sudden blinding squall. The collision caused a 1,200-foot section of the southbound span to fall into Tampa Bay, resulting in 35 deaths.
1980, I believe. I just read all this yesterday. I should have waited until after I went over the bridge, but that's the old bridge over there. It's a fishing pier now. Punta Gorda, Florida. We are somewhere on the Tamiami Trail going towards Miami, and this is Alligator Alley. We're crossing the Everglades. Holiday Inn Express, Florida City, Florida. Gateway to the Keys.
Renowned for being the country's first undersea park, John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park encompasses an impressive 70 nautical square miles. While many visitors view the park's colorful coral reefs and teeming marine life on a glass-bottom boat tour, one can get an even closer look by scuba diving or snorkeling.
Hello, how are you? How much? Oh, thank you so much. Okay, great. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thanks for being here. I hate to say it, but January 26th, and I'm getting a little overheated. I'm going to have to strip down some clothes again. Key Largo, January 26th. It's 70 degrees, we're going to go snorkeling. Yeah.
On the deck, on the net, on the ladder, and anywhere else is an unacceptable spot. So aim for that platform, aim for that water.
Is it TY? How do you wait for the review?
Sir.
For the review, TY.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
do Google reviews.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it, Ty.
Have a good life, sir.
Okay, that's it right there.
Make a return now.
Okay, that's it. How did I miss that?
No turn lane. Reach your destination on the right.
There's a couple of U-turns. We made it. Good morning, Key Largo, January 29th, I think. 28th, excuse me, January 28th. Okay, this is Robbie's at Isla Morada. I don't know how you say the name of this island. I say Isla Morada, but I don't think that's correct. Robbie's is where they feed the tarpon or the whatever fish those are. Nobody's out there this morning. Kind of a big tourist trap.
Everyone traveling the length of the Florida Keys on the famed overseas highway crosses the 7-mile bridge, a fascinating engineering marvel that quite simply stuns the senses, rising in an arc toward its center. The 35-year-old Middle Keys Bridge offers sweeping panoramic views of a picturesque horizon where turquoise-colored seas meet an almost impossibly blue sky.
Welcome to Key West, my friend, as they say. This place looks pretty quiet to me today. I'm going to show you the parking lot I rented here to park my bike in, make sure I get a parking space. And I traded it for an e-bike. The famous Key West Rooster. Hi, bud. I'm not feeding you, so move on. So this is Mallory Square, home of the sunset celebration. And at sunset, this place is supposed to be packed with people. Today seems very quiet. I don't know.